Lesson 3.10, Multiplying with Fractions. Today is going to be a review of multiplying fractions from 5th grade. In this example, we have 2/6 times 3/7. We can multiply straight across because we have fraction times fraction. So 6 times 7 is 42, and 2 times 3 gives me 6. I'm not done because I need to simplify 6/42. They're both even, so I could divide by 2 until I can't divide by 2 anymore. Or, if I know my math facts, I could divide them both by the common factor 6. 6 goes into 42 7 times, and 6 goes into 6 once. My final simplified answer is 1/7. In this example, we have two mixed numbers, 7 3/5 times 10 and 1/10. Most kids want to just multiply the whole numbers, 7 times 10, which is 70, and then multiply the fractions straight across. That method actually does not work, so pay attention as I review. Anytime you have a mixed number, you need to first change it to an improper fraction. To do that, I'm going to do 5 times 7, which is 35, plus 3. 35 plus 3 is 38. Then I keep my denominator, which is 5. So I have 38/5 times 10 and 1/10. So 10 times 10 is 100. 100 plus 1 is 101. I keep my denominator. Now I can multiply straight across. 38 times 101 requires me to do a little helper problem. 8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 0 is 0. 8 times 1 is 8, placeholder. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 1 is 3. Add them together. 8, 3, 8, 3. So I get 3,838. So 38 times 101 is 3,838. Now I'm going to multiply my denominators. 5 times 10 gives me 50. I'm left with this really ridiculous fraction. This is an improper fraction. So I need to change it to a mixed number. To do that, I'm going to take the top number and I'm going to put it in the house. And then I'm going to take the denominator, and that's going to be my divisor. Then I just need to divide. 50 doesn't go into 38, but it goes into 383. I'm going to do a little helper problem to help me out. And it looks like it's going to go in 7 times. 7 times 50 is 350. Subtract. I get 33. Bring down the 8. 50 goes into 338 6 times, which would be 300. Subtract, and I have a remainder of 38. So my final answer would be 76 and 38 over 50. Oh wait, I'm not done. Both numbers are even, so I need to do some simplifying. Let me go ahead and clear some space. Okay, so I know they're both even, so I can divide them both by 2. 38 divided by 2 is 19, and 50 divided by 2 is 25. I know 19 only has 2 factors, one in itself, so I'm done. My final answer is 76 and 19/25. Our final example is when we have a fraction times a whole number. Anytime we have a fraction times a whole number, we have to change the whole number into a fraction. So I'm going to rewrite my problem. I know the whole number 5 is 5 wholes, or 5 over what? I multiply straight across. 7 times 5 is 35, and 8 times 1 gives me 8. I have an improper fraction. I'm going to divide remainder 3. So my final answer is 4 and 3/8. Today you learned how to multiply fractions, whole numbers, and mixed numbers.